Canvas cleanup.
Your videos of
Every week, Canvas cleans up the entire Ocean Beach. It's just something we do because we care. Ray always leads it. Wakes us up early. Yep. So, I guess probably 50% of California shoreline would not be clean if it weren't for Canvas. So, it's pretty important. Bringing 80-foot jerseys out.
I have no idea how you are surviving with just like shorts and a jersey on.
People tell me that we're going to the beach. So I put my Vikings jersey on. Obviously put swim trunks on because they'll show you what beach is. And then put my Nautica theme loafers. I'm from Minnesota. And they rip on me for it. I've always said though, and Ray's a great example of this, the biggest problem with San Francisco weather is the LA people.
Hey, I see trash.
Get that trash! Put in my bucket, I need an extra. Alright, over and out from the beach. Saving the planet.